is this bloody fool?
I am this bloody fool. What are you studying? Huh? What is this Angrezi? Angrezi is boot also. Angrezi is tie also. Angrezi is hat also. Angrezi is coat also.
English.
Yes, English. And if you will study English like this, go, then go, then go, then go, then go. Then you will also go there without learning even a single word of Angrezi.
English.
Yes, English. The study of English is not a laugh and game. Hasi khel. Study of English is not a laugh and game. Otherwise, every era, gaira, nathu, khaira in India and Tom, Dick and Harry in England would have become the scholars of English. To study English, a student has to night and day.
Day and night hota hai.
Small person should not interfere when big person is talking. Because he has said this or not. So to study English, a student has to day and night fingering eyes understood?
आंखें फोड़नी पड़ती है.
Yeah, आंखें फोड़नी पड़ती है. खून जलाना पड़ता है. Blood is to be fired. Then comes English. Because English is a funny language. Beauty put, beauty part.
Beauty but beauty put.
That I am also saying, bhaiya. K-N-I-F-E.
Knife.
But actually it should be knife. But who can tell this Angrez? Sir, knife without K is like chaku without cha. Only ku. Churi without chu.
Only re.
Yes. I am well and I am in well. First sentence means मैं ठीक हूँ and second sentence means
मैं और भी ठीक हूँ.
second sentence means मैं कुएं में हूँ. मेरा सर चक्कर खा रहा है. Translate this in English. अरे भैया translate.
I will translate but थोड़ा late. My head is eating circles.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Fully correct. But tell this to an Angrez. Sir, my head is eating circles. Then his head will eat more circles than your head. If somebody asks you in Hindi and Urdu, आपके पिताओं का क्या नाम? What will you do?
I will break his head with lathi.
But in English it can be asked, what is your father's name? तो जाए. Honor goes to goes. But भैया, we have to study English because these Englishmen are our rulers, and we will be free from studying this English only when Gandhiji will get us independence. But the speed with which Gandhiji is moving, we will die of studying English.
अरे father. English of बाप रे बाप.
Yeah, English of baap re baap is oh my God.
And what is the English of Makke?
People of UP and Bihar. Yeah, please study English. Big scholars have failed in English, like
You.
Even then you do not take any lesson from me. From morning to evening and evening to morning I sit and study. If at all I get up for for this and that. Then I do not go out of this room. Every day some naach, gana and tamasha happens in Banaras, but I do not go. Day before yesterday, Champa Bai's naach happened. Did I go there?
No. You were not there.
You were there?
I said scold more.
These days they are teaching cricket to us, but I do not go to learn. What a foolish game! Exactly opposite of our gulli danda. You hit the ball and you run. You hit, you run. You hit also, you pado also.
What is the English of pado?
Yeah, there is no English of words like pado, paratha,
But
pakauda.
I said English of paratha is tali bread.
Then English of padana is ranna. But what to be Indian? We will play cricket because it is the game of Gora people. Because by playing it, we Kala people also become little Gora.
Why I play gulli danda only?
Do not play even that. After studying so much, I stay in every class for 2 to 3 years. Then how you think that after wasting so much of time in gulli danda and other games, you will pass away? I take 2 to 3 years. But your legs will be hanging in grave and you will remain in class 6.
Why then? I'm Hindu, Brahman.
Yeah, it is an example to prevent you from wasting your life. But bhaiya, if you have decided to waste your life, then waste. But bhai sahab, please do not waste the blood, sweat, thick income of Pitaji. पिताजी के खून पसीने की गाढ़ी कमाई. Say Ram Ram to study, go to gaon and play. What are you watching there? Your Parnani?
And I would really think over Bhai Sahab's advice. Shouldn't I go back home and become a wrestler instead?
10 minutes.
Yes, and both types. And both types together. Not one after other. समय का सदुपयोग ही मनुष्य जीवन का परम कर्तव्य है.
Together. लैट्रिन का सदुपयोग ही मनुष्य
समय का सदुपयोग.
समय का सदुपयोग.
All right. Soil, fool, soil.
Washing hands with soil. I also write this.
Yes, bhaiya. Also write kali soil or peeli soil. Thickly soil or multani soil.
Washing hands with multani soil. After that, put the water in mouth. After that,
No English. English of no English.
after that,
What is that dispute? What you do? You
eat supper.
eat supper. But no hot and spicy foods. Such type of foods bring dirty ideas in mind.
Really?
You're really sure that you have become adult? But becoming adult does not mean talking adultery. Really?
Half 7 to 8 o'clock supper.
Before मुझे मिलो जाना और थक हार के देर तक सो जाना है. Vision's example is known to child. वो तो I am getting late for school. Otherwise I would have given you examples from British history also. And you also become ready for school.
जी.
Dal is cooked, eat that. But without frying that in spice and ghee. Pure dal helps to learn mathematics better.
But तड़के वाली दाल helps to learn English better.
You need that also. Cannot you call तड़के वाली दाल as dal fry? Become ready for school.
Aisa, why are you going school this much before?
I am going to Ganit wale master ji first.
Rekha's father.
Why?
I have to understand something from him. But poor masters did not understand anything. Cut the story short. Bhai Sahab was more interested in Rekha Ganit than in Ganit. Since the examinations were round the corner, Bhai Sahab had a good excuse to visit Master Ji. Even
3,000 moment. वो तो अकबर was a gentleman. He respected women a lot. He had only 350. That too for the whole year.
Bhai Sahab,
Yes.
what did Akbar with woman and woman with Akbar?
Akbar did woman, woman did Akbar.
Can I say in Hindi?
Say.
अकबर इतनी औरतों का करता क्या था?
अचार डालता था.
ऑटो का चार कैसे? टेल भाई साहब भाई साहब टेल भाई साहब टेल भाई साहब टेल.
Akbar did big things with women which cannot be asked in the examination of small children.
Also, it was in the book, so I asked you.
All right. According to timetable, you must have been studying English composition. Why are you studying history?
जी, वो like you. I also want to become history.
I have become history.
Yes.
I am alive, brother. I am alive.
My meaning, like you, I also want to become very knowledgeable and intelligent in history.
All right. Sit and study history only. थी कि तुम्हारे बिना तो मैं स्वर्ग भी ना जाऊं. तुम तो बड़ी चालाक हो. वादा करके भूल जाती हो. और हाँ, ये पत्र मैंने तुम्हें पेंसिल से लिखा है. पढ़ने के बाद लबड़ से मिटा देना.